Alright, time to learn a new exercise.
Wouldn't it be nice to invite our other teddies to come and dance with us?
Oh yes, that's a nice idea. And perhaps we can teach our teddy bears our new exercise. Do you have a teddy or toy that you would like to bring to our class?
Why don't you go and get your teddy or toy, and I'll get one for Esha and me from our playroom.
Okay, thanks, Anais.
Here you go. You can have the baby sloth, and I'll have the long-haired lion. Do you have your teddy or toy? Are you ready to teach our friends the exercise? It's an easy one, so they'll be fine.
We are going to show our friends how to do marching in ballet.
Marching? That's not hard.
No, it's not. But there are a few things we need to remember. We start with our feet in parallel. Please tell your teddy that our big toe is going to go all the way up to the side of our knee. See, just like this, at the side of your knee.
Show your teddy how to do it. Big toe up, big toe up, big toe up. What's that, Ted? You're feeling a little nervous. That's okay. Would you like to sit at our tummies while we do this exercise?
Let's go.
Are your friends ready? We're about to begin.
7, 8, knee up and down. Knee up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Faster now. Play with your teddy. Knee up and down. Knee up and down. Knee up and down. Up and down. Faster now.
How you going there, Ted?
Did you like that?
That was fun doing it with our teddies. I think we should dance with them more often.
I agree. That's a good idea.